We are at Lavineyard Farms. It's a combination of lavender and vineyards together. We are focusing on the experience of working with flowers and making products of those flowers. We have a lot of people that harvest lavender with us, if it's different varieties of colors and different aromas, because we have so many varieties, 147. Usually lavender farm we have only 30, we have way more than needed. And we love sharing this experience with people. Every time that they're doing a class, they actually customize whatever item it is to their needs, to their likings. If it's a candle, they're choosing the aroma and the colors. If it's a lotion for their skin, they're making the lotion and the cream featured for their skin or for their needs, exactly what they want. We love working and being together with our community and with our customers. People come here and picnicking and having fun and family and enjoying and just experiencing nature and relaxation from the daily life. Very important for us is also the collaboration with other businesses and making this as a community hub and share our knowledge with other businesses and taking our products to different locations and doing classes or workshops over there about our farm and kind of giving business to other locations and working together and just making places thrive